I be MC. I am in life of a party. You understand? So wetin I want to clarify, not be Saga. I don't want make una still see am as Saga, because as you see me so now ni we dey be una gbe. We dey be una gbe.
On this hands. Go.
We dey be una gbe. But before I go talk, I beg, if you know say you book me for party, you know say you book me for party, and you know dey okay with my social media lifestyle, call me, I go refund you your money. Hello? That one if you don't pay. But if you don't quick, you give me half. I no go refund any money to you. If you don't need me again, call me, no fear. If you don't need me for your party, call me, no fear. This is a general public announcement. Because as I did so, now I say me dey my party, go dey my party. I don't know that you understand me. I will refund. They listen to me. If you quickly don't give me full payment, I will refund you your money. But if you give me half, then no case. But if you give me full payment, because I never do the work. So if you are not okay with the kind of lifestyle when they live on social media, please, in case maybe you not get my number again, for those who don't book me for party this year, because I get for the 15th before, but that one is cancelled. But I still get another party again now on that same on the 15th. But I still get for 22. I get on the 8th for Duisburg. That's why I call that one just now. Make a refund. He said no, which one? That person help me do my party where I refund. So if you want, make a refund. Please, no shame. I be MC. But if you don't want me again as your MC for your party because of my social media lifestyle, I beg, call me, I will refund you your money. I don't pass that level of socmaology. If you don't know what is socmaology, I don't pass that level of like my way people say, man, you know, go fit do something at the appointed time because I'm money the yab man. Me Enogie, before I go, the reason why they talk all this thing, if you don't need me your party, call me on phone, I will refund your money. That one a full payment. But if you don't quick, you give me half. You don't need me again. No problem. Go book another MC. But that my half, I not give you 1 naira. But if you never, maybe you never give me money at all, but you don't already have my name for flyer, you can't see and say they constitute rubbish for social media, and you know they're okay with them. I beg, come and take your money. General announcement. Come and take your money. Hello? Come and take your money. Full payment, I'll give you your money. Half payment, no money. If you never give me 1 naira before, bye-bye, just go. I know the verse. So the reason why they talk this thing, because I'm not there out since. So as I can't come, because I did school, so when we day break, they send me some kind of videos. I can't say, while we are here with door, I told Rigbe, because me, give me call my number. Yes, if you are not okay with the party, you don't give me full payment. Please go on. Well, come and take your money. Okay? Don't be MC after they survive. Come and take your money. If you don't want me for your party again, my number is +49 178 Duisburg, we did together. No, not before that party. +49 178 436 2125. In case maybe you got my phone lost. So maybe you not like me again. You just the verse for what they do, because you see this life. Even my mama they post day before yesterday. All this they lucky tell so they go share them. All of them go they happy. If my mother they repost. Now new one, not be the old one they Saga my mama. If now me they post or if now me they beat, they go they happy. You understand? So as I did break, person call me say pa. He say, you and Proch get problem. I said no. I said which Proch? He said the one they go a party on the 15th. I said, what did they worry you? I beg. He may apologize. He name me anything. Now I beg, cut this fucking call. You want me say Proch? they talk some kind things for that side will not clear. Because they continue. So as me as they come out for school, I receive another call again. This call can't be call wey be say there was somebody wey don book me for that same on the 15th because her birthday before was July 18th. Okay, so because he said the distance covered from that one was too far. That one has too that e dey. So this one I just like close to me. I was okay. Me choose this one. May you go. Now I go call me say Ipa. I tell you say me come my party August 15. You say Proch don book you for party. See wetin dey play oh. Now I come pick. I come say somebody don't fair message me since so I can't cut the call. That's okay. If for me to believe you, may you send me the voice the link. Make me believe you. Yeah. He can't say me I don't wait. Make I not worry. Since me know I believe her. Make me baby. I can say but what then? You tell me story, you not tell me finish. Now rest. Before you know somebody else when I not getting nobody else send me the link. Before I will talk, I want to play the link for now. But before I play this link for now, una wey don book me for party in the past. Person don't ever follow me fat for una party before. They come say Enogie don spoil person party oh. Enogie they don't come beat Enogie for the party. So the party can spoil. Is there ever recorded? Say I want to go do and say they can't beat me, or not be me who do anything for the party. I just go, they can't beat me. Okay, never in history. Okay, so it happened this evening. Because I don't try to receive call, but not be Saga. I'm not here to Saga her. Okay? She wants to do her birthday. I'm not here to Saga her. Now her decision should be adult. And it is my own decision too as an adult, right? So Mona wait, may I talk something. I want to play the audio now. Mona listen carefully to this audio. Carefully to this audio. Because number one, they never born anybody, Papa. I go there this bug on Saturday, this very Saturday. I go post the address after this live stream. If they born you where, come follow me fat. See, I know they like online banter. You will want to follow me fat. Maybe you leave your head for us. Maybe you blood will flow through your body. No, I know they like cho. Come on, wait till you want to follow me fat for. If you see me, you tell me. For Duisburg, not before Proch, because Proch was on the 15th. But see what happened. When they sent me this link, I was like, this one are AI. But at the long run, I can't say no, this is not AI, this is real life. This one are live stream. You understand? So when I listen to audio
big somebody for the person.
Good morning. Gonna answer me first now.
Morning. Good morning.
Lucky nice. I greet you specially. What did me do you? Me not understand. Me may offend where?
I'm not saying you don't offend me now. They tell you so. You offend me. You offend me through Enogie. You hear me so? You offend me through Enogie. Enogie not be MC. Enogie not to go to do MC for Nigeria. They follow their Kobe and no Magbe. Not before birthday party. Enogie not be MC. Now Peria MC. My sister, if you carry Enogie as your MC, me and you will get problem.
You see
This person so when they talk na bully you. This person when they talk so if they saga my wife, go saga me. I don't even the man now. This person so this one will be say nothing go or SAS diploma party. If they Sicily for water side. This one so if they Sicily for water side. No they listen. This person so not get one that way contribute to this person party. Oh, one of the listening. I damn because una way they come in for WhatsApp, they say una see the poster. I cancel them. I personally cancel the poster, and she called me to drop it, and I told her no. For the fact that you have went on TikTok live to say that, then it is my right to cancel the show. It is my right to tell my fans that I'm no longer going. That's what it be. You cannot expect me say you go talk this kind of thing, then I just lock up. No, now, make my fans for constantly feel say I'll come. I got to tell my fans that I'm not coming anymore. And not just your party. If any other person want me to do refund, nah, I go do refund for you. That one, if you don't want me for your party, please do a refund. Just write me now, say, how far you pay? I don't want me to come my party again. I'll send you money. This thing.
And then make affect you. You know get problem with you.
If you can't get problem with you, I get problem with Enogie. If you don't want to post for picture for this now what did you get to tell you be that?
No wahala.
They give am reason say Enogie go post Zaddy mama pictures. Person no be person go video my mama. No be that say my mama not take the Saga me say my mama no tear apart well. He not do this one well. The thing what they do to people. Why be safe they can't do it to people now where they close to now. When I call they cry. I not said anybody, Papa. As I your day so, if they born anybody where if you see me for party anywhere, tell me say you not fight with me. We'll fight. If you beat me, I'll go ask. You know go pass video. They don't beat Enogie. If I still beat you, you go still video. That's what it be. That's what it be. So don't be the one where be say man. Say he told me, I know they look. Everybody is equal in my eyes. No one is inferior and no one is superior, including me. Now, this is the reason for them, and you now listen to the reply of the celebrants.
Yeah, don't hear, no problem.
Okay, Proch, not be this party. I bet Mona wait. Shebi you did this TikToks is there. You see the old woman when Enogie post. You see her.
I see her yesterday.
Is it called for to you now? Is it called for?
Not really make any sense for real.
But when this person they insult single mothers. When this person they insult my mama, they tell me say damn me I post the mama picture. Say I not get mama picture. When they insult single mothers, it's all this way. Both the one way responsible and the one way not responsible. You not raise alarm, say what thing they do not good. You not raise alarm. As this boy bully people rich, he go carry single mother come. Here and that one where they wear tight jeans, they go bully them, insult their life, mess them up. There was even one single mother where this Zaddy bully, he take his life, 2023. You will be lucky antelope. You not come and come talk, say, what did this guy do not good? And at the same single mother, all of them are the friend. You will be the lucky antelope. The same sexy baby will be single mother, no man body. Ever you lele. The Zaddy, your wife na still single mother, don't feel born one for us. You not condemn her. Who can do cabier? Because if my mama una see that day, send a fresh video of my mother, no go happy pass. But based on saying na friend now, not come and say that video mama has cut. What he cut in mama 2 hand. Anyway, not be here for do the Saga. And just they explain. Say you where they talk, say best they do this thing. You don't do worst. You don't post people children. You don't Saga people children. So you not be perfect person too. All of them don't gang up severally to take bring me down. Yet, no not still bring me down. Only me one. More than 10 of them, the message only me one. To the extent, both the people they call it before of them don't settle because of Enogie. Yet, will not still bring me down. Early this year, more than 50 presenters for this TikTok. All of them, they Saga me. They insult me. The same thing will happen today. Now there be one may happen. If they don't do Saga, Asha go wrong. But at the level that they know, this thing is say, none of you can bring me down. If I not go MC, I go use and relax with my family. I go use and take the talk for social media. If I post 5 minutes video for my YouTube, that 5 minutes video, if people watch and the money will go give me, it go pass the one way they go even spray me, pay me for my MC. So that's why they talk about and say, if you're not there okay with the lifestyle that they live, because I never fight for party once, person never fight me once for party. But you're not got there concerned, you're not there okay with her. Alpha, come and collect your money for full payment with evidence of proof. But if you give me half payment, you don't need me again, at least your money don't pay. And you know if you do me anything. Because now you say you don't need me for your party again. So listen to what she said.
For that woman, no, why I see the video, I see tears what come off my head, come in my head,
Proch, you say you see the video, tears come up for your eye. Did you ever call me as a friend, say, bros, why you go post that video? Did you call me Proch? You didn't call me. But tears come from for you. Oh yeah, we'll continue.
If me and you get Proch and they come, if me and you get Saga now, if me and you get Saga Proch, what you concern your children? What you concern your husband?
Me and you go face each other, not be my
okay, what you concern your mama in Nigeria?
Thank you for that answer. You be responsible woman, I beg, they will not get issue with you. You understand?
So now, I don't know what you know with the MC.
You the Saga children. They listen, no.
Yes, what come up my head? Come in my time. He pay me so much.
If me and you get Proch and they come, if me and you get Saga now, if me and you get Saga Proch.
All right, you will read this to Jennifer. Say try to go any party this time. Like by you are there, Duisburg on Saturday, and I go post the address right now. If they born you with a fake account, come. You know I'm mad on the always they make. Let me tell you like una na mad on a day. Mad like.
You when they go, they want go first.
You where they come, you want to leave your head for us. You must have a reason of fighting me. That's the truth. Hey, I just dey laugh. They call me this time, I beg. No, wait.
Concern your husband.
Me and you go face each other, not be my
okay, what you concern your mama in Nigeria?
Thank you for that answer. You be responsible woman, I beg, they will not.
When you they post people, mama, what do they concern? They concern them looking antelope. You claim say you like Usas diploma, you not fit go a party Italy to Italy. I never see any party where any of they don't do one day. Say you can't go apart from only 1 or 2 times like that. You will settle down, share Tracy Toto. You settle down, they share Uma Toto. Oh my goodness, big trouser. Thank you so much for the lion.
Get issue with you. You understand?
So now, I don't know what you know with the MC.
If you don't know what you are the MC, people will know what you are the MC know my value. That's why they book me. I not be MC where they carry the talk. I be MC where you say, if you book me for show, that money you see on times 3. That's why they book me for party. Anybody will know my worth will book me. But if you are not okay, because that's how they do Saga for social media. If you are not okay with my lifestyle on TikTok, come and take your money for people that have paid for full payment. If I not give you your full payment this night, go and disgrace me. Just put me to test. I'll send you your money this night. But if you pay me half, you don't need me again. Bye-bye. In 1 night, I don't give you. If you see me, not do me anything. But if you never give me at all, it was nice doing business with you. As I did drop that flyer just now, people don't book me the city. It may even say let in you, but I don't post the one I want to go. For that same on the 50 for my WhatsApp. That's what it be. Soldier go, soldier come. That's my life. I'm not to send anybody papa like that. Get the way I today.
We're not going to tell you. We expect you to tell you.
I greet you. They around. You there around. I know now, January since I know. But me not can understand. Come here and only stress, so they feel me.
No stress.
And my 40 years birthday I did do. I know.
Thank you for seeing.
So I know this. I think just continue with only Khalifa. Khalifa will be okay for me. They feel me so. Khalifa will be okay
God bless you and your English. God bless you for your I know. If you put rubbish, you go talk.
I think Khalifa will be okay for me. 100%.
Thank you. God bless you and your English.
I know they fear to come
to
Khalifa
God bless you and your 40 years. 40 years not easy.
I agree to now.
Thank you so much.
Someone you call a friend. Not be say maybe you now when me know. You not worry. You know your head not theirs. Without you not even carry security safe. No, they don't want anybody to fight for your party. You intentionally want to do it based on see finish and disrespect. Not be for any other thing. Not because of these people, not be make you talk this thing. You don't already fair get out for man before say you are not gonna be your MC again. Not be waiting up so afar. Nobody be small picking. people will not give money to do something, and they can't tell you, say, may you not let so person. As they got this guy show on the 8th now, which is next tomorrow, I can't tell the guys and say, you need it for, he said which kind of nonsense with that wiper. As I want to do my picky birthday 5 years, me no come in, I look, because of that useless no can't tell you, me no come carry it for my picky 5 years. I don't laugh. So you saying this from here, go begin the entire my body because we not quarry. Mama Gui, Mama Van, Mama Miropa. You not quarry. Even if you say you don't want to book me again, you tell them say okay, you call me for WhatsApp. See you that they plan or they say they want to fight you. Let them come. People want to fight me. They don't get two heads. I never felt go party before when I lose guard. I always they match my guards. I never ever go party before I lose guard. I always they match my guard. As I think they do good for people. Now so there was the time where I still Saga people. So me myself not still free myself like that. If I go party, I must want put 2-3 people online. Say we'll just be together as my brothers, as my friends. Let's be together. But there's never in this life no person talking to fight me for party. Say that party can spoil. And I know you want to bury party. It never happened before. So you saying this instantly to the people that have never do, they don't even know you. Then I sensed something. And instantly, to make matters even easier, I could call her. Afar, me and you the quarrel. Very good, I help you. I don't want me to forget anything. He can't send me voice note say, hey, you don't need problem. Yeah, your husband don't spend money. So for that simple reason, you don't need stress. You go just go with the hype man. I say, okay, no problem. I say, do your part. Do your party. Then, what am I not supposed to do? I can carry the flyer, cancel lamb, write cancel post. I can go post them. And what's her bust? The next day, she called me, she say, make me go drop that flyer. Why me go write cancel like that? I say, make her drop waiting. As far as I did that picture. And you'd already go talk and say, now let that guy you want. And say, I know they drop. This is not Saga. This is the reality. And I will not drop it. Even a day to die of party again, I will still repost them again. For people who be said, man, they come show me love. Make them know say, that's to that they go August 15th. And those people who talk just now say they want to beat me, then they stood that. So me go post the Stuttgart address. You know be saying okay, they make math. When I come Stuttgart, when I come beat me. It's as simple as that. I am very intelligent. Because could you imagine say this live stream as she dey drop, she tell person they do flyer for her, say make she do flyer for her. She can't remove my picture, she can't post she, DJ and Hypeman. The list, you know, when we call post cancel, somebody come send the link for me. So I enter. She don't even go post. Without even calling me to tell me, say, I not go book you again. Oh. As you come up for that platform, she you go post it and say, Enogie, you don't know who be Enogie. Thank God say what they say. Do I look poor? Do I look broke to you? Me now, even if now Davido do me like that, I'll not go that party again. Davido. Even if now Davido say, Obio, you can't talk this thing for live stream. I don't go. Because August 15 will come and go. But your intelligence and respect. Proch not be person with the fear Saga. If not fear, that will not be fear. Proch not the fear, not be fear. Because if na person will be say, you know, get off a fight for party before, she don't support person party in my name. She do this thing, I say okay.
I'm not going to come for my mouth.
Yeah, I didn't hear you.
Khalifa will never be okay for you because you know why? You don't do a banner and then you do a VAT for you, both of them. So,
No.
SKB because they try to convince Sam. SKB no need to convince Sam. You cannot be pushed and start MC. She has already taken her decision by saying only a hype man is okay by her. SKB, for no they stress yourself, they convince her. That's why they do, and not be only she. If you not there comfortable for 22 for burial, come collect your money, or you don't pay me full money for that 22 next 2 weeks. Come and take your money, because I go post your flyer. All my flyer now, I want to go post all of them. Till December, I want to post all. So if I post, you not there convenient, because I they do Saga for TikTok. Come and take your money. God bless you for patronizing me. Thank you. Igbos I don't buy say, but I do okay. With my social media, I do okay. How much they pay for the MC for the Europe side? How much? MC do picking. You don't know how much the MC pay la show. How much they pay for Europe? Nigeria MC see money passes. We all they do auto say for the love we get for entertainment. That because they do you go yeah, pay baby 250, 300. They never say if you enter Uber now 85 euro, if they come back again, you enter Uber. How much remain? Maybe 150 me away. Understand? So we they do it for love, not before not be say we get one money. Maybe they can spray us, but not be a party there for the spray. The people book you for 150 euro. May you reach that party, may you suffer. $1 no see. You go suffer. So if you put me for person who can spray you, you are just playing because not everybody they spray MC. So people they and they are celebrating they go spray. And the reason why me see the guests was more things sometimes for spray. Now based on how they do TikTok, so many of my fans they also see me they come spray me on phone. Not be something big, you get. So you know.
No. I can't be so. To see me so. Now money I can do my party. They feel me.
So she not go want me to come spoil a party. I don't know what can spoil a party for now. So that's why they make this general announcement. Now money on take do party. Now wait, don't book me till December. If you are not okay, you're not there convenient with what you they happen to the Saga where they go. So because if I cut here and they go do Saga for the other page, here now my responsible page when I say they help people. Okay, I beg, write me for your money and I'll give it to you right now. Like right now. If you pass this night, go give me to Lucky. Then I say, I book I say give me, not say because they thought say disgrace me. I'll pay you your fucking money. But as I pay you the money, I also carry the flyer, I go cancel them. You know, go tell me that I say I don't get right to cancel them. As far as you get the right to tell me make I not come again, I have the right to. That's what artists be. If they don't go to show again, they'll do it like this.
You're doing like that, yeah. You're doing
so be like say only Khalifa go dey okay for me.
Muhammad, well, you should say the responsible woman. You should say the responsible woman.
Only the problem.
You're good at that.
The best way just talk now. Say if you no get come that party, we dey come from Stuttgart. So no, I don't need to come. They waste that one. If I get money for SC, you know, if not be regional, and one time go use Stuttgart. Somali for SC, suppose 3 hours starting with all this Stuttgart. Not just come, I beg. I swear to God who made me, and it comes to that. Yeah, before you beat me, you tell me what you want to beat me for. You will talk and say, me what this Stuttgart, me or the cool, and it comes to that. You go tell me what you want to beat me for. If they never fair post my mama for this social media, oh, I go ask now that day. If they never fail humiliate my mother, they go ask now. This saga concerns daddy. It concerns daddy. Now he be cancel your mama. Now he be cancel your brother. It concerns now. The day when me message cancel, you see me say I mention daddy name. Now what is daddy see? Now what is he see? Now he see so. And more are still coming. You can never post video finish. I'll continue to do worst. That's why they talk and now say, if you know, say you book me for show, you know they're okay with my lifestyle for media. Come and collect your money. Thank you. Come and take your money. People who know me will book me for show. People who know me, people who love me, go still book me for show. Not people they watch me so. If you go this platform, Enogie, people they see 2 view, they go use me to see 100 view. If you go this side, people they see 100 before can't use me to 300. All TikTok, Enogie. I'm gonna go crack tire. I'm gonna go crack tire.
So yeah, don't watch. I know I'm married because you're a responsible woman. So
No shaking, Baba.
See, we respect you. Don't respect you. That's okay. Make that day fair.
Khalifa will be enough for me. Khalifa will be okay for me. My husband don't pay for this party. If I can't pay, I'm not getting to the
Posh, when be the date of your birthday? When be the date of your birthday? We begin to do shout out for you now. When your mama TikTok now. When
now 15 and next week
who sit in one for
who sit in one for one? Germany, Duisburg.
Everybody when I know say they dey for Duisburg, when I go follow Posh happy. 40 years birthday no be that.
Yeah, we are for Duisburg. Now Duisburg.
40 years birthday no be that.
I want for one Mederish. Mederish Duisburg.
When I go and swear, when I don't fight, when I don't do anything.
I every day my work.
If you not a program party for
I respect for this apple. I respect you. I beg anything.
Khalifa will be okay for me. I don't talk.
Thank you.
Khalifa will be okay for
I
me.
say God bless you on your days. Not too much talk.
You see friend wey be say e not get regard for you. If you want to do something, not they look back. That kind of friend, you need to bagger. For real. You, this Posh, you know, say, I get 3 party when I scramble for you. I soak lot, you know, for you. That's not the money you want to pay me. My own money. You can't even send brother shower. This thing say my wife join brother shower. My wife can't say no. You not will tell her. I call the beg, and that's why she not pick your call day for yesterday. Some days ago, I call tell my wife say, "Honey, I go buy am." The thing don't even they come for road. I never reach here for the one with my wife. I want to join her for 14, and my money. Then in a minute, you don't even say okay. May I go call this guy? May I go call this guy? My wife say he not go join. He said because if I say somebody come out,
Why use me replace her?
Why use
I
me
don't
replace?
pass that.
I say should they call you? When I see my wife reaction, I say I beg on you, follow me. I can't say if I don't come back from Duisburg, which is down the 8th. For that 5 years birthday, I can say I can't book hotel. For me, my wife, we go on Friday, we'll come back on Monday. For my money, how much you want to pay me? The thing where you say come for me when me book. The Uber when me want to go that side. The hotel when me want lodge. The food when we want to eat is on my own money, not before your money. You not consent, you just say only Khalifa will be good for you. Not be certain to do something in case of next time. Because you know me fully well, so they always get bookings. But it's fine. It's your party, not be my own. Now you go decide who go come your party, not be me. And I appreciate the fact that you not pretend. Because if I have gone to that party and anything happened, I forbid, for worst, not be fight. Not be fight. Because if you go with friends, we go want the plan to poison you, no. You think that's what your belly be. give me food, I go eat. Because they never brought anybody to sing for party, fight me. And they talk am again. Not be beans. Now, live video, if I say, if you see Enogie, you say pardon. If you don't say pardon, you go pass me. Not be joke. But you will walk off fight me, you don't leave your head for us. So my fans all over the world, I know come Saga. As I did talk since I know insult her, I know trauma to her. I wish her all the best in her birthday to come, August 15th. But for those people they come and say, "Pa, we'll see what we can do to beg her." No, because if you not beg her, she can't beg me. I know they come again. Even if not 10,000 euro, even if not German passport they want to give me, they give you. A friend who cannot regard you publicly will disrespect you privately. So please, my fans all over the world, look, congratulations to you. Soldier go, soldier come. People when it be say they be the see they pray say maybe I'll call them. One of them now don't come book me. Say pa, just comes to that now. Since this one not come clear. So I wish I not still get party that day. I'll still design this mass for here. How they eat, how they enjoy, how they do life. So while I will go, Bobby, I said, Bobby, Godfather, leave me. When you are Topolo, do Saga, that's when they tell me repair Topolo. And you want to tell me repair BBA. And Godfather, I mean, what to do referee this night. When you are Topolo, happen, that's it. Eh? If not be say I want to release Saga there with your words now, I'll talk some of the Saga then again. If you like, you go the tax. Say, nah, then me.
Hey, pardon, mom. You know what they sabi do for this Europe? They sabi they take side. I remember when they post your mom that time, she was almost naked. Now okay. That woman tie for chest, Okay. When they post them, everybody was so happy.
Post her,
Everybody was so happy.
They're so happy,
You understand me? So
but when
they take side. Okay, Proch, will you wake on social media now? I can't talk everything will happen for your family we will not know about. You say Enogie they do Saga up and down. Enogie they do Saga, you never push him for body the way you don't take push him for your body, my sister, Because before you go come out the 2-day person, my sister, come out don't wait your eye, Nobody they dread you for this Europe, my sister, I they tell you the way you take day, you be confirmed gutter. I they tell you now, so you don't take day. No, but you tell us that they say you and your friend they gotta knock your husband. The one they lick yash, one they lick prick. Now you tell us on social media we don't know.
No, very not cause I'm a beg.
No, Epa, no, I just want to because I don't remind. You understand?
No,
so I don't understand the way they say. No, still because of Saga. Epa, still because of Saga. No, be Saga now.
I know. See, I don't want we use directly. Or indirectly.
If I not be Saga, now where they talk with no happen, not the truth, not be Saga.
I know it's not the truth. You know why, Perry? I don't want me be say now because she says she don't want me to do AFC.
No, no. She don't insult the Saga community because you come say she know they do Saga.
It's okay.
And she don't talk about Saga. Now all of us you don't insult now. No, you don't insult the fool. They say if you insult our Epa, you don't insult us now. I mean, you say we dey go and no get Epa because they sweet us.
No, leave am, Perry, I beg. You understand?
You understand me? So it don't make sense. Okay, you go Lucky Nice live video now. If Lucky Nice gay no game mama picture, I think no go post her. Lucky Nice na my friend. I know what they capable of. If Lucky Nice want deal with you, Porsche, he go deal with you. You see your mama Toto. If Lucky Nice get your mama Toto, he go to do DP.
I beg, it's okay. I know I'm Saga.
Do you understand me? So
I just pass a message to her and also to tell my fans. Because a lot of them, when they see I post them, many of them call me. I don't want to call they play their voice notes.
Epa, so I don't hear you.
Even you, Perry, you call me too.
No, when I take the banner for your page, I was like, what's happen now? Because you know they behave like this, Epa. Me know the way they behave now. You understand? Me know what you go feel do. Like the way you take cancel one. The thing if I'm like, Epa, what's happen? You cannot even date this app since. When you can't explain, they can't send me the video. I can't watch up for TikTok now. Say, oh wrong now. Oh wrong now. Even Lucky na my friend. Lucky na my friend. Lucky na every time say no come and no get live video again. Why now you will not join? I did like it didn't invest me. You know that we no piss off today. It piss everybody off. Do you understand? It piss everybody off. Okay, Okay, why Lucky never tell me say Perigodi? If you get no get like it again, I'll deal with you. Do you understand me? So it don't make sense now. This is so wrong.
I don't want to make anybody saga for me. You understand? And even if you still come back tomorrow, come still do saga. I'm not go still my her. You understand?
She not go saga you. She not go say she want talk.
I don't already pass message. You know,
but before I go, I might just tell you one thing, eh? May you all know say all these people where they pin on, they follow you for party. So many of them know me well for you because that day she was posting you. She posted you like 50 times, eh? If the time say this kind of thing goes up, I no go believe, eh? Be careful who will give you even drink, who will give you drink, even money self, who will spray you, say take money and you get. Just be very careful because this is a pure hate. Best way hates you. Now if you react like this, Epa, you say me and you Epa, so you take day like this and say anything so I go call you for WhatsApp, say Epa, they say they go saga me, this kind of matter happen. No, you know what's my you remove you as my MC, my you do my part. I know I they come fight you. Do you understand? I go talk for WhatsApp. 2 years no go year round. You come up body. Do you get? That is respect. And if you no come force you say, I must come your party, I must come. I want force if I no come, what go day? No, but you no respect Enogie. But that day you dey post Enogie follow everywhere. You use Enogie promote your show. 1 week to your birthday, you say you no go carry Enogie again.
Very loud, very loud.
All the money where you spend, you want book hotel, you want do this one, you want do that one. You say you no go carry him again. Then you go take. You want talk now?
Before now.
Epa, you want talk the matter now? You go talk for Enogie. Best way they Saga Enogie platform. For your mind, Lucky Night dread you. For your mind, Lucky Night dread you. For your mind, Lucky Night dread you.
The Saga my children, the Saga everybody.
For your mind now, like Lucky Night, my friend Lucky Night dread you for your mind. You be very stupid person, Epa, dumb more. Now because of you, no be you. I enter this girl with I go remind her past, but you don't talk. They play a video for her. She go the year herself. We they do Saga. We know the mumu. When they carry shampoo for body, me I they do Saga, but I know they do Asha where they feed man, for husband house. So that's on period. Epa don't more. Bye bye.
Thank you, beg. I don't want anybody in shorter. I beg. I don't want me this thing change to Saga, because if this thing change to Saga, they are going to put the narrative that the thing they pay me, that's why. Understand? So Lao, I beg. I don't want. And I will never talk about this again. I don't already post on. I know and I pin her for there. I don't need anything where go. Come they go talk down or anything. I don't they go party. Not be today, so they go party. You can you party. Now I beg. But I just come personally do this particular video for person winning PC. The thing concern. Allow everybody will be saying they do saga. One no saga how. Allow I beg. Now me, she say, make you not come in party again. Reasons best not to her. Because I never go any party for this my life. They come fight me. They never still bought that person. I hear they laugh. You want to follow and not get fight for party as how? As how now? Explain. Because I thought they do these things since I did Germany for years. I never experienced that for my life. So, since you believe, say they'll come down, I beg, try to carry security for the people who love you when they come too, because this one shows say there is no security. Because as I be now, you come to tell me say if I not come, so you come fight. All of them will go prison. You get? But yeah, you gan.
E pa domo sa.
Precious Ikoyo.
Domo.
Yeah.
E pa la wo ana seto e mena la wo lao. Because I dey wash and I can't see say mama not be done bash with big cloth. So that a party touched me well. So I beg more try settle this matter.
Rich bad girl. There is nothing that they settle for here. The only thing is that she don't pass her message, and I understand that. You understand? That girl so that my cousin, what I'm gonna bring her back, I beg. Allow. Now, friend. Why am I getting into to allow? See, Precious, may I tell you? I don't know how to make this parable. I would be very stupid to go to that party on the 15th. May God punish my mama. If I go that party on the 16th, wow. Allah, Mudiane. Oh, you know. Yes. It gets some kind of disgrace where person will give you. You not go feel. You not go feel just. You get things where person will do you. You can't. As I dare so, if Jamie say they want give me Jama passport, I not go. You know if you beat me for public. May you come they tell me say now I said hey. The mistake has already been made and that is it. That's why they talk and I say if another person there too, where it be say he wants make a refund money. Look here tell them, may they collect their money. Oh. I swear to God, this has passed something that we can settle. Maybe I should come indoor. She can't tell me. We can't say we they settle that indoor. For them understood. So Wahala, please.
That's what